I want to deviate just a little bit from the Durga Puja and Kolkata story and wish everyone a Shubho Vijaya. Today is a special day indeed for every Bengali who is living across the world. For everyone who is a Bengali by heart and has lived in Calcutta for some period of time, Durga Puja is the only moment in the full year where we can go back to the time where which we want to hold dear to our heart. Like I used to like mandal hopping a lot because my father taught me, or not taught me, but his influence was too much on me. Me, my brother, three of my friends, and my father, we used to roam around the whole of Calcutta for the entire night during pujas, like 5 days, and we are like roaming around all the pandals across the city. That's how, you know, um, I used to enjoy puja in my childhood. And even today, this year, with all the things across my life changing, I'm married right now, I work somewhere, there are obligations, but during this Durga Puja is where I can again go back to the time which I felt the most alive as a kid. That's a memory I want to hold, and Durga Puja lets me do that. This year also I went to see all the different pandals which are there, albeit a little less number, but at least I could do that. And in a way, what I written in Bengali is দুর্গা পূজাটাই একমাত্র সময় যেখানে আবার পুরনো দিনে সকলে ফিরে যেতে পারে. So my father, he's retired right now, but during Durga Puja he actually goes out and sees the pandals. So that's also something he used to do 10 years, 20 years from now. So in that essence, Durga Puja is the only time where somehow time stands still. We end up doing the same things which we used to love 10 years back, 20 years back. And it's like again what I wrote in Bengali, I'll narrate it. বছরের পর বছর সবাই একই জিনিস করে ডিউরিং দুর্গাপুজো, দ্যাট ইজ আনন্দ। বড় থেকে ছোট সবাই সেই ছোটবেলার মতো আনন্দ করে। আবার এক বছরের অপেক্ষা আজ থেকে শুরু। So the closing line means that now that we end Durga Puja, it has ended in 2025. The waiting starts for another year to see Ma Durga in her glorious best, and for us, mankind living in earth, especially someone who's associated with Calcutta, we we start a wait for another year for the next Durga Puja to come. সকলকে শুভ বিজয়ের প্রণাম, আর ভালো থাকবেন। পরের বছর পুজোয় আশা করি দেখা হচ্ছে।